Hello everybody, Miguel here from Unique Web Designer, and in this video we are going to discuss how to add a new user so that they have some kind of access in the back end of your WordPress website. So kind of like if you're a business owner and you're hiring an SEO team, and maybe they're going to be writing content or blog posts for your website, you want to create a separate account for them, because whenever your developer or your web design company creates the website for you, they're going to give you a login. That is the admin login. In other words, that is the person that can do anything and everything to your website. Now, whenever you're hiring somebody, whether it's a writer, if it's a writer, obviously you want them to be an author. If it's your SEO company, depending on what it is that they're going to do, you want to manage the level of access that they have to your website. And you may hire like somebody to do a quick project for you. You can also create a temporary account for them that you can just delete as soon as they finish. So I'm just going to show you in the back end of our website how to properly add a new user. So we'll go to WP admin, and my password, everything is there already. And what you have to do is, let's see, if you come here, this is the back end of a WordPress website, just a normal WordPress website. Some of them, they'll have different information, but this is basically what you're going to see for the most part. If you have different plugins, you may see a different layout, but the stuff to the left is pretty much the same layout on all WordPress websites. You'll just see different options. So right here, we're just gonna go down to right here, users, and then if you see, it says add new user. So this is where you're going to go ahead and add it. Once you click on that, you'll see these options right here. So a username, you type in their username, whatever you want it to be. Their email, this is required. This is basically where they're going to get a message. So once they get that message, they can actually update their password. They can get that access that they need to the back end of your website. So the first name, last name, that's not required, but if you want to just keep track, go ahead and put in the first name and last name. And then if they have a website, you can put it in. Once again, that's not required. And then you can hit generate password, and you can just copy it and send it to them. But once they get an email, they'll have the option of resetting the password. So right here, the roles, this is where you can decide what roles you want to give this person. So are they an author? The main ones that you're going to use is basically author. It means that they can create blog posts on your website. Editor, they're just editing, so they can't actually post anything. And when it comes to subscriber, customers, that's more like if you're selling things, you're gonna obviously have customers, subscribers, and so on. Shop manager, same thing. Web designer, that means that they can obviously make changes to the website. And then administrator means they have access to everything and they can make any changes on your website. So if you are going to work with a new web design company, you can create them a new user in the back end, and you can make them an administrator or a web designer, whichever one you prefer. Obviously, administrator has a lot more access than a web designer, so you may want to just keep it at web designer just to control that if you're not sure about this company, or if you just, kind of like, okay, I only want them to be able to do certain things. If they want to do something else, then I want them to have to contact me so that I can change their role in the back end. And that's about it, guys. That's how you add a new user in WordPress. And by the way, if you guys have any questions that you want to know about, like anything that you're curious about when it comes to managing your WordPress website, just leave a comment down below and I'll go ahead and make a quick video to teach you how to do whatever it is that you want to learn. And as always, I hope this video was useful to you guys, and if it was, be sure to share it, like the video, and subscribe to the channel, because that helps us a lot. And as always, Until next time, Unique is out.